Welcome to Miss V's Corner. In today's video, I will share a few tips with you, and I'm going to share this awesome website I found recently called Classroomscreen.com. Using this website or this app on your PC or on your computer, you will be able to effectively manage your classroom time, whether it is during your classroom process, or while the students are walking in your classroom. You can have specific, like you can see behind me, specific items on screen that you can project on the wall for the students to see what the supplies are, what topic is. You can have instructions. So as the students are walking in, you can give them a timer. So they have a specific amount of time to get ready until you are ready to actually start teaching the lesson. This minimizes the craziness of walking in the classroom, and this helps you be more time efficient and students be more effective as they walk in or as they are part of your classroom. Stick around to learn more about this app. Okay, here we are on my Google search engine. All I have typed up is Classroomscreen.com. I have logged in with my Google account, or you can sign up for free. The only thing you do is launch now. Now, this is super important. I'm clicking launch now, and the one that I have previously made, this one right here, that I've conveniently and luckily saved as my screenshot, has completely erased. Why? Because I do not have a pro login. I just logged in as free user. That's the only difference between the pro version and the free version, is that you cannot save. But what I have done is just that screenshotted this, and then I can project this as my students are walking in the classroom. So I am a music teacher, so I have written down what my 13-year-olds need to do on this particular day. I told them topic, guitar classes, 13-year-old class, what we're going to be working on. I have told them what the supplies are, and I've told them what the instructions are as they walk in the classroom. I don't need to be repeating it 5,000 times as all of my 20-something kids walk in. They can see it projected on the wall on my overhead projector, and they will know exactly what to do. What I will then do, click the timer, and they have 10 minutes to settle in. Now, I'm going to show you how to make this from scratch, so you can do that on your own. Here we go. We are on Classroom Screen. As you launch the app, this is the background that will appear, not this in particular. You have tons of choices. So if you click on background, these are the multitude of beautiful backgrounds that you can use. This is the one I've done before. Let me choose this one because we are in winter and I love snow. So you have these things on the very bottom: background, pool, random name, QR code, sound level, image, text, draw, work symbols, traffic light, timer, clock. When you click here, more widgets apply, calendar dice, embed, group maker, stopwatch, webcam, and video. What I like to do is have the timer, so you'll just drag it, click it, and it will appear here. So you can give kids 5 minutes as they're walking in, and you click play, the time starts. Now, let me put the text. What I like to do, I'm not going to go from the very beginning, but you can write supplies, and then you can drag it anywhere you want it. You can put another text, and you can write title or lesson for today. Drag it around. If you want to exit from something, there's an X right here, and you will completely exit this particular widget. I would like another text. and I will drag it and I will write instructions. You can, of course, edit the lettering, the size, format, or anything you need to write what your students need to be doing. After you are finished, you're going to click full mode. And as your students are walking in the classroom, this is what they will see. The timer is there. They see what their supplies are, what are needed. They see the title of the lesson for today. They see the instructions. Again, this is the one that I have made. As an example, I have cleverly, again, screenshotted this because if I didn't, this would totally be lost. So that's the only difference between the free version and the paid for version, premium version, that you cannot save it, because I literally just made this a few minutes ago and I did not save it because I have a free account. I couldn't save it. So it was completely lost once I started to open a new tab. So I hope this was helpful. This is a great time management app that you can use. As a music teacher, I use this with my middle school and secondary students because they're very self-reliant, or they should be very self-reliant. So as they walk in my classroom, they already know what their supplies are. They already know what we're going to be doing today, and they can see the instructions that I have for them without me having to repeat for every single student that comes in. The timer is there. It's super important that the timer is there. That gives you 10 minutes as well. And then after everyone is settled in and they follow these instructions, they have their supplies, we can officially start the lesson. Hope this was helpful. This was a new find for me, so I'm really excited to be using this app. Thank you.